Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Open YouTube Studio on your iPad and sign in with your Google account. After signing in, grant camera and microphone permissions for uploads. Tap the account icon to switch channels if you manage multiple channels. Allow notifications so you receive upload and comment alerts immediately. Connect an external microphone or use the iPad mic for better audio quality. Adjust iPad orientation for landscape edits when you prefer wider previews. Keep your iPad charged or use low power mode during long uploads. Tap the Create button to upload a video file or record directly on the iPad. Select the video from Files or Photos and wait for the thumbnail to generate. Add a clear title and a detailed description with relevant keywords for discoverability. Insert tags and choose a custom thumbnail if you have one ready. Trim the start and end using drag handles to remove unwanted footage. Add end screens and cards to promote other videos and playlists. Set visibility to public, private, or unlisted before you save. Open the Analytics tab to review views, watch time, and subscriber changes. Switch date ranges to compare real time and the past 28 days. Monitor audience retention graphs to see where viewers drop off in minutes. Use the Reach tab to check impressions, click-through rate, and traffic sources. Visit the Comments tab to respond, heart, or pin messages for better engagement. Open Monetization and Settings to manage ad preferences and channel eligibility features. Review copyright and community guidelines.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.